Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'll be opening up 3 packs of Cybernetic Horizon. And now let's get into it. Some of the cards I'm hoping to get are some Danger cards, Cyber Dragon, and Goki cards. And hopefully I can get lucky to get the Boral Sword Dragon. Now let's get into the first pack. We have Contact Gate, Metaphys Ascension, Goki Moonsault, so get a Goki card, and then Sky Striker Ace Hayate, and then Incantation Talismandra, that's a hard one to say, then Turning of the World, Ruin Angel of Oblivion, Link Turret, and Terrifying Toddler of Torment. Now on to pack number 2. My bad. We have Universal Adapter, Breaking of the World, Psychic Ace, and then Mana Dragon Zernitron. Not for sure, but that's a cool looking card. And then Demise Supreme King of Armageddon, Ballista Sword, Solitary Sword of Poison, Crusadia Reclusa, and Ruin Angel of Oblivion. Now on to the third and final pack. Can we get lucky and pull a Danger or any of the other cards I've said? But I would really like a Danger card. Hopefully I can get lucky, and let's get into it. We have Mini Boral Dragon, Performapal Hand Samurai. I'm gonna quit trying to say that. That's hard to say. Goki Ring Trainer, Cosmo Brain, and then Noble Knight Pelennor. Not one of the ones I wanted, but it's still cool looking. And then Ruin Supreme Queen of Oblivion, Crusadia Lioness, Crusadia Reclusia, and Metaphys Decoy Dragon. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.